We are here, we are here, we are here. One is amazing day. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, the analysis, and we are marking up CVNA stock. We are on the monthly time frame. Price action. Last candle to the right hand side is a doji, bearish doji, indecisive. So we're waiting for a pattern to form. So we're going to see if that market is going to push back up, going to push down, or it's going to consolidate sideways. Price action, higher highs. Price action is currently at the lower lows. You have that midpoint in the middle. Price action is coming from a pattern. It's multiple pushes to this top. So overall, first leg, second leg with the retest bearish red candle. Third leg push up, market push down. For that fourth leg, retest is where I'm at right now. And the market pushed down. Market broke the midpoint. So as we walk down the time frame, we're looking for a break and retest at the midpoint to see if that market received the break and a break and retest. Not price action overall in the monthly time frame can be coming back for a full retest of that midpoint or back up to high. Down to the weekly time frame. So price action, we do know, is at the low. Price action are at the low. So midpoint are right here. We did receive the break of that midpoint. The market retest 1, 2, 3 times, triple top, and the market pushed down further. So we did receive the break and retest. So now we got to figure out what's going to happen at this low of the market. And overall, we do see that first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, got the M pattern. Market came to retest previous areas and work its way down 1, 2, 3. Broke, retest 3 times, pushed down further. At the low, near price, look at what's going on. So price action on the weekly time frame, bullish green candles. These are small candles. These are not dominant candles to show the market's going to push up or push down until we receive some type of engulfment or pattern that's formed. So there's nothing forming right now. All we see is that the market pushed down, came back to retest, pushed down, came back to retest. So far, that could be a decline W, a very small one, or it could be a double top working its way down to new lows. But if you stay in this area, a pattern is going to form. Price action is side by side or within the second last candle, so that we can see that consolidation here could be a pattern of a double bottom forming as we walk down the time frame. Definitely identify a break and retest or something's coming up for a break and retest. Take a look. Okay, so we are receiving a break and retest on the daily time frame. Price action candle is a bullish candle trying to work its way up. We had a midpoint here. Market broke the midpoint, came back to retest it once, came back to retest twice. So that's like a double first, second, third, fourth. That's a W so far. If the market do break through the opposite side, that's a double bottom. So we look for the retest for that market to work its way up. If not, markets can be pushing down for a first leg, second leg, third leg, All we're waiting for is a bearish red candle to close out for that market to push down further. So if we put this into a range of consolidation, we're waiting for the pattern to form to see if we're going to break up to the upside or downside to form that W or M or maybe triple bottom. On a 4-hour time frame, still waiting for the breakout. We can see the consolidation that the market is working its way sideways. We do have that first, second, third. You can see that fourth, waiting for price to see if it's going to break retest on a 4-hour time frame as well. Still identifying the same thing, first, second, third, looking for that M pattern. See what that market's going to do on the 4-hour. Headed down to the 3. Price action, bullish, small candle, doji, waiting for engulfment for this candle to grow to see if it's going to dominate the opposite side. Headed down to the 2, same as well. Price action, second last candle on the 2-hour time frame. Looks like consolidation. Price action candles within the second last candle. Could be some type of double top forming in that area as we walk down the time frame. Headed down to the 1. Yeah, price actions within the second last candle. Third to last candle is a retest. We're still waiting for that market to push up further. Price action on that 2-hour time frame did break that midpoint. Boy, let's go back. Price action on the 1-hour time frame did break that midpoint. That's why we see that market broke that third last candle is a retest of that midpoint and market's pushing up. 45 minutes price action is a doji, second last candle, a doji, waiting for a type of engulfment candle of that area. Price action, doji, third last candle is a doji as well. We're looking for a solid candle, solid green candle to engulf the previous second, third, last candle, especially second last candle. That doji to close out for that market to push up further. If it doesn't, that market can be coming down. Headed to the 15-minute time frame, what we're receiving is the market pushed up with the third to last candle. Second last candle came back for a retest. Price action is trying to push. So we're looking for a green candle engulf the previous second and third, just like before it closed out for that market to push up. Same, everything's really the same consolidation, waiting for that pattern to form of the engulfment or a pattern to form in that area. 5-minute time frame price action retest. Price action, second last candle, third to last candle consolidations all within each other side by side. Headed down to the 1. On the 1-minute time frame is identifying price having a hard time breaking. Spiked the resistance once, twice, 3, 4 times. The market rolled the midpoint, and now we're receiving a engulfment pattern on the 1-minute time frame. For this market to push down, you want to see price engulf this previous side, maybe the second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, at least the 8th candle in the market. You want to see price drop below this, close out, and if that does happen, that market can be pushing down to this area here. And then once we see that market breaks, look for the break and retest for that market to see if it's going to work its way down further. If that does happen, if not, look for price to ride back above the resistance, break and retest the resistance, and work its way up on the 1-minute time frame. Very important information, guys. Please study and review Forex Pattern Cheat Sheet. Click on images. Also, breakdown retest strategy. Click on images. Okay, guys. This is Cam Jones, Auxiliary Analysis. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your attention. CVNA stock.